Holy mis, bebecitos hermosos, con cerecitas, XD, memeo. Bueno, por fin, regreso a hacer tutos. Hoy, toca tuto de comp. Encontrar sonidos de canciones de K-pop que se escuchan como si estuvieras en un concierto. Jejes. Bueno, empecemos.
Yeah, I've been here waiting, looking at him, trying to catch a picture. How you wanna take it? Left to place some panic, left to take another planet, left to make another statement. XG, baby, say the names right, spell it out so you can learn it. It's metal toss when it's turning, it's metal fire when it's burning. You can tell we all made it work for us, made it, but we had to work for it. Work, 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 so perfect that it hurt, don't it? Surf on them, right away, right away, right away. Cause we had the right away, blah, 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 fly past, we can fly away in the outer space. Drop top in a coupe bus, I wanna hop up out of this plane. Look at my fit right now when I just walked out of my bed. Fix my hair, fix my makeup on the way. Bound to the next stop, bound for the grain, make 'em bow down to the X. A little more than